I'm going to be sharing with you how to draft this amazing overlapping top. So the measurement that we are going to be using here is our bust measurement, our full length, arm length, and shoulder line. So before doing that, this top is overlapping. So from the center, this is the front part, the front pattern, and I'm folding it into two. You can see it's folded into two. So from this center, you're going to be marking, keeping extra 4 inches. You can keep as much as you want depending on how close you want the front to be, but on this particular video I'll be using 4 inches. So look at it, it's 4 inches and it's already marked out. So from this point, from this 4 inches, this is where the shoulder will be starting from. My shoulder will be starting from here. So this is, I've already marked out the shoulder line. So from here, my shoulder, the shoulder I'm using is 8, but I'm adding half an inch to this. I'm adding half an inch. So from this point, this is where we'll be starting all our measurement from. From this point, I'll mark the width of our neckline. What I'm using here is 5.5. So because human shoulder are not straight, I'll be coming down by 1 inch. I hope you can see what I'm doing and I hope you understand. So from this 1 inch that I'm coming down, we will slant it to the 2.5 inches of the neck. So this is it. So from this point here, we are going to come down from this 1 inch. We'll come down by 8 to get our armhole. I hope you understand this. So also from this point, will still come down by 8.5. This is still our shoulder line, our chest line, to be able to get a straight line. So you will use your ruler to draw this. So from this armhole, you're going to divide it into 2 to get your midpoint. So my midpoint of the shoulder of this armhole is 4. Then from this 4, I'm going to go in by half an inch. We'll go in by half an inch. Then connect it. You will connect it to this half an inch. From this half an inch, you're connected to meet this point. You're connected to meet this point. If you have your curve rule, you can use it. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So from here, we are going to come down by, from this we are coming down by 1 inch to that will be this 1 inch will be serving us as our bust point. Then our bust measurement is 8.5, 9.5 here. We are having 9.5, and with our seam allowance, we will be taking 11. We'll be taking 11. So the next thing is to come down to our full length. This is our full length, the end of the, I hope you can see what I'm doing. So our full length, I'll be using our full length measurement is our hip measurement is, I'm taking 9.5 for the 9.5 because it's a kind of crop top. So we'll use our ruler to connect it to this point. Use our ruler to connect it to this point. Please, if you do not understand, kindly re-watch the video so you can understand it very well. So this is that. So the next thing we are going to do now is to draw our marker overlap. So you would measure how deep you want the overlapping. As my own, from the shoulder, I'll be taking 11. I want mine to be 11, but I'm taking 11.5 here. So from this point, you're going to use your roller to connect this like this, to slant it. Use your roller to slant it to this point, to the shoulder line. You're going to use your ruler to slant it to the shoulder line. So you're going to use your ruler to slant it, and here will be open. So I hope you understand what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and trace and cut out the fabric. This dress will not be carrying a dart. There will be no darts in this dress. So now we are going ahead to cut our back measurement. So all we are going to do here is to cut our back measurement. It's just to fold here. We are going to fold this excess out. This is how we are going to do to get it right fast. You're going to fold out the excesses out, then fold your fabric into two. There will be no zipper allowance here because the front will be open. There will be no zipper allowance. So all you're going to do is just place it on the fabric. Just place it like this. Again, to place it on the fabric like this, and then cut it out. So if you watch this video to this point and you've not yet subscribed, please do us a favor and subscribe. Subscription is completely free. Going to be needing, there will be no extra charge on the video, and also video to your loved ones. And always, please do not forget to come back and watch the video. I'll send you the sewing tutorial, the sewing video of this dress, but for now, so this is how it's going to be. So we will go ahead and cut out the neckline, the back neckline. We're going to cut the back neckline. So what I'm using here is 3 for the back neckline, and because it's going to be a high necked top in this. Thank you so much for watching. I always remember I love you. Bye.